Alfredo's Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo, and this is what it's gonna look like today. We're gonna teach you how to do this. Come on, join us. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, start now by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the bell, because you don't want to miss a thing. Oh wait, I got that's the wrong band, Guns N' Roses. That's Aerosmith, sorry about that. It's Chicken Alfredo time. Let's get to it. Oh, one of our favorites, Chicken Alfredo. Who doesn't love it? You've had it at Olive Garden. You've had it at various Italian restaurants, and now you're gonna have it here on My Keto Friends channel. What do we got today, Susan?
Why do you sound like a game show host?
Sometimes feel like one.
We have Palmini noodles.
Palmini, what the heck does that mean?
This is made out of hearts of palm. And it's linguine noodles, made into linguine noodles. The total carbs on this is 4 grams with 2 dietary fibers, so it makes it 2 grams of carbs for serving size. The serving size is 2.5 in this container. So there's 2.5, so that's 2 grams, what, 4 carbs?
Wow.
Yeah, for the whole entire, well, it would be 5 carbs because it's 2.5, I guess, for the whole entire container. The only place I have found these is at Sprouts. And if you don't have Sprouts, you can order it from Amazon. You can get them in this little bag. They also come in a can.
And when you say hearts of palm, that's a palm tree?
Yeah, it's the inside part of a palm tree.
Inside of a palm tree, folks. That's what we're eating now. It's Castaway.
And I know it sounds weird, but it's really delicious. I've made spaghetti with this. I don't love the texture with spaghetti. We have another video description. Can we put it somewhere?
It's somewhere up there.
We have a video where we used oat fiber and shirataki cognac flour noodles for spaghetti. I make chicken Alfredo with these.
Chicken Alfredo.
And the kids love it.
The link for this product will be in the description below. If you can't find a Sprout in your area.
Sprouts.
Sprouts with an S.
And I'll show you what these look like in a minute.
That is a low carb lifestyle.
And for today's recipe, I'm just using chicken that I pulled off a rotisserie.
Chicken!
1 1/2 cups of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 of a block of cream cheese, which is 4 ounces, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a pinch of nutmeg, tablespoon of garlic, 1/2 cup of butter, and I'm going to be using 2 packages of Palmini noodles. of the Palmini noodles into water, and I'm going to bring this to a boil and boil it for about 10 minutes, and then we'll drain it, and then we'll add it into the Alfredo sauce.
I need like a bigger piece of chicken in there.
Chicken!
Oh. That sauce is magnificent. Magnificent. Wow.
Magnifico.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
This is so delicious.
Wow. Chicken Alfredo on keto, my keto friends.
It's so creamy and delicious.
No, I can't do that right now. It's too
Okay.
much.
Oh, well.
Wow. All right, well, that's the video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff.
Tell your friends.
And until next time, remember, keto friends, keep it a keto way of life. That's a good one.
That's not it.
That's a good one. Keep it.